Can I just say, dear Miss Teen Tete, that is a little bit too intense. That is too many items for a freaking PR box. I would never expect them to send over so many freaking lippies just for me to try out. They also included like their newest limited edition lippies. Oh my god, there's so many. I don't know how to begin. I'm gonna start off with the Juicy collection first. So I have J01, J03 and J05. It's supposed to be like a lip glaze and gives you like a very watery, juicy sort of look. It is so flipping cute and pretty. It is really so pretty. Oh my goodness. The wand itself is so cute. Doesn't really have much of a scent. I'm currently trying J01, which is called Until Sunset. So this is how much product you get with just one application. And it is looking very glossy. It's quite nice there. And when I applied it, right, it was super duper smooth. Like, it felt so smooth. This is like a very warm red sort of shade. It is a little bit orangey. Finishing though, it is so nice. I am flipping loving this shade. Okay, let's try the other shade. Oh my god, these are so soaked and juicy. Honestly, the shade J01, right, the color is so freaking similar to my actual natural lips. J03 is called Rose Water. Oh my god! This is so chill. Oh my god. When you turn the top, the bottom will turn as well. So you need to hold both top and bottom lah. I want you guys to see how smooth the application is, okay? Okay, so this is in the shade J03. I think the Baohe 2, right, which is like the richness of the color, is like definitely there. And as you can see, right, it is really very smooth. For those of you who love like a deeper red shade that is still a little bit warm, I think this color you can consider. But this review is gonna take 10,000 years, I swear. J05 Pattaya Raiden, whatever that name is. You know, interestingly, I actually thought that this would turn out deeper and darker, like more like a brick red, but you could tell that there is a little bit of tangerine inside. It glides on very smoothly, okay? Let's go to the velvet one, which I think there's only one that is sent over. E02 called Pink Crush. Packaging on point. Ooh, it looks a lot darker than I anticipated. So this is just one application of the velvet lip cream. It is looking matte, but I do see a little bit of shine on it. Might not be so good on people that have like a lot of lip wrinkles. Actually, the more I look at it, nicer I think it is. I don't know if it's because I'm just looking at it from the camera, but it is quite nice on me leh. Like quite natural ah.